Hi students, today we discuss about the smooth muscles. So, muscles are divided into three types: skeletal muscles are stripped muscles are voluntary muscles are striated muscles. Next, smooth muscles and cardiac muscle. So, muscles in the animals are classified into three types. Number one, skeletal muscles are stripped muscles or voluntary muscles or striated muscles. Second one is smooth muscles and third one is cardiac muscles. Yesterday we completed skeletal muscles. Today we discuss about the smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are found in the walls of viscera. Walls of viscera. Viscera means internal body organs. So these are called visceral muscles. So the smooth muscles are also called visceral muscles. So the smooth muscles found in the walls of viscera are internal organs. So these are also called visceral muscles, like esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, ducts of excretory and reproductive systems. So, smooth muscles are found in the wall of visceral organs like esophagus, wall of the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Here, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestines are the parts of gut or alimentary canal. Next, ducts of excretory system and ducts of reproductive systems. Next, so these are the internal organs. So the smooth muscles are also called visceral muscles. Next, the smooth muscles also found in iris and ciliary body of iris and ciliary body of eye. In the previous class, The iris and ciliary body contains skeletal muscles. So this information is wrong. Sorry for the mistake. So the skeletal muscles do not present in iris and ciliary body of eye. But the iris and ciliary body of eye contains smooth muscle. So smooth muscles found in iris and ciliary body of eye. But the iris and ciliary body do not possess skeletal muscles. Next, the smooth muscles are also found in skin. Found in skin as arrector pill muscles. Arrector pill muscles. The arrector pill muscles are attached to hair follicle. Hair follicle. So these are arrector pill muscles. So this is hair follicle. Hair follicle. This is hair. This is skin. Skin contains three layers. So the arrector pill muscles attached to hair follicle. So skin contains smooth muscles as arrector pill muscles which are attached to hair follicle. Yesterday I told the skin contains skeletal muscles. So this is also wrong. Sorry for the mistake. The skeletal muscles here the skin contains smooth muscles. Skin contains smooth muscles as arrector pill muscles. So the smooth muscles present in internal organs like esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and ducts of excretory and reproductive systems. The smooth muscles are also present in iris and ciliary body of eye. Next, the smooth muscles present in skin as arrector pill muscles. Next, smooth muscles also contains cells. The cells of the smooth muscles are So the smooth muscles are arranged in sheets are layers. So smooth muscles are arranged in the form of sheets or layers. Next, the smooth muscles contains cells. The cells of the smooth muscles are spindle shaped structures. Spindle shaped structure. Middle is swollen and ends are pointed. Middle is swollen and ends are pointed. So smooth muscles contains spindle shaped cells. Each cell contains single nucleus. So the cells of the smooth muscles are uninucleated, having single nucleus. Each smooth muscle cell contains single nucleus. Next, the smooth muscles do not work under the conscious control of the animal or organism. So, the smooth muscles do not work under the conscious control of the organism or animal. So, the smooth muscles are also called involuntary muscles. So the contraction and relaxation of the smooth muscles is do not under the control of the organism or animal. So smooth muscles are also called involuntary muscles. But the skeletal muscles, the work of skeletal muscle is under the conscious control of the organism. So skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles, but the smooth muscles do not work under the conscious control of the organism. So these are also called involuntary muscles. Next, the skeletal muscle cells contains myofibrils. The myofibrils of the skeletal muscles possess regular and alternate dark, light and dark bands, which forms a dark lines on the muscles. So those are called stripped muscles. But the smooth muscles do not exhibit alternate dark and light bands due to irregular arrangement of actin and myosin filaments. Here, the myofibril contains actin and myofibril filaments. The actin filaments are located in the I band or isotropic or light band. Myosin filaments are located in the A band or anisotropic band or dark band. The actin, these are regularly and so the actin and myosin filaments of myofibrils are arranged regularly in the skeletal muscles. The actin and myosin filaments of myofibril do not arrange regularly. So smooth muscles do not show alternate dark and light bands due to irregular arrangement of dark and light bonds are actin and myosin filaments. Actin and myosin filaments. So these are the the surface, the smooth muscles do not shows dark and light lines. So these are called smooth muscles. Smooth muscles. Next, the smooth muscles shows slow and prolonged contractions. Slow and prolonged contractions. But the skeletal muscles contract quickly, but the smooth muscles contract slow and prolonged. So smooth muscles shows slow and prolonged contractions. Smooth muscles contracts for long period without fatigue. Without fatigue. So smooth muscles contracts for long period without fatigue. But the skeletal muscles contracts quickly and undergoes fatigue quickly. So the skeletal muscles needs rest, but the smooth muscles do not require rest. Smooth muscles contracts for long period without fatigue. Next, the smooth muscles or visceral muscles are involuntary. The dark and light lines do not appears on the smooth muscles. So these are also called unstriated muscles. Unstriated muscles are non-stripped muscles. Stripped muscles. Next, the smooth muscles are regulated by autonomous nervous system. Autonomous nervous system. So the smooth muscles or visceral muscles are under controlled by autonomous nervous system. The functions of smooth muscles are regulated by autonomous nervous system. So this is smooth muscles. I will explain the cardiac muscles in the next class.